You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the letter W in French. How do you pronounce W? If you're looking at learning more French, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We've got tons for you and many more videos for you to learn better French. So let's go through how to pronounce the W, how to say W in French. There's going to be different pronunciations. The most common one is just like in English, because most words that start or have a W in French come from English. So it's going to be pronounced just the same. Just like watt. This is the unit of electricity, power. Gonna have words like wallaby, you know, the kangaroo from Australia. Web, which is the web. Web. It's going to be pronounced just the same. So W here is pronounced like oo. Okay, just like OU. Ooh. Web, wallaby, watt, and many more. Example, you're going to have a wakeboard, rap, if you're talking about rap, and all sorts of different words that come from English are going to be pronounced just like in English. There's an exception though, which is more of it is a very French word. If you're talking about the car, the wagon, and in a train, this is called a wagon. Wagon, okay, it starts with a W, but it's pronounced like a V, wagon. And I believe this is because this one comes more from German. Talking about German, you're going to have exceptions where if the word comes from German, like Volkswagen, Germans pronounce it as Volkswagen, all right? So the French also are going to pronounce it like a V. Volkswagen is how the French would pronounce it. So there's going to be different ways of pronouncing it, but most generally just like in English, web, like a W, okay? And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.